So you might be in a situation where for some reason your blood oxygen application is just not working on Apple Watch. Now, if your blood oxygen app is actually not showing up on your Apple Watch, that's a completely different thing. The reason why that might be happening is because your particular Apple Watch might not have the blood oxygen application inside of it because it's probably not supported within it. But right now, within iOS 18.6.1, that application is now back up. So number one, make sure you have an Apple Watch Series 8 or above. Make sure you have an Apple Watch that is in that caliber. And number two, make sure you are updated to iOS 18.6.1 on your iPhone. So go ahead, make your way over to your iPhone settings. Go ahead and update to 18.6.1. And that will go ahead and allow you to get this update. Now I'm on 26 right now, but 18.6.1 is what you need. Number two, if that's still not working, the next thing you might want to try doing is to just go through and see if for some reason you need to update your Apple Watch. Along with iOS 18.6.1, you'll also need to update your Apple Watch. So go through, make your way over into your Apple Watch settings. So go right into your Apple Watch settings, try updating your Apple Watch as well. If that's still not working, you can also try seeing if you can basically like restart your Apple Watch. So hold down the side button that you normally would to restart your device. Click on the power button, see if you need to restart it or kind of redo it that way. And if it's still not working, you might need to make sure that your Apple Watch is actually supported with blood oxygen in your region. It's still coming out on a region basis, so it might not be out just yet for you. So in terms of that kind of covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.